I made it.
I said, oh, it's Chadwick. I can see it coming.
That fucking thing.
I'm Jim.
How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Hey, you too.
That's I forgot your name. It'll take about a day.
What's
Ben.
Ben?
Otis or Jeff and Jeremy.
How you doing? I'm Chad.
You don't want to ride in front of him because he gets videos.
No, I'll take the rear. This thing throws a frickin', it's ridiculous. Yeah. So it's deep. Yeah. So if you're off weighted, it'll sink right down.
Like, I watched Mary, her butt's just playing on the seat and turning, and it's tipping. Then she got caught in the orchard a little bit. And
how many people did you see on the trail?
We only seen 2 local kids. We rode all.
They almost kill you?
We rode up, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they come around.
Everybody comes to the middle of the trail here. I didn't bring my fucking wallet. Oh, fuck, I know that fucking guy. That's the guy who used to take us around there, Jason.
I got somebody you know?
Yeah, you always act like you don't know me, though.
Yeah.
One of them guys.